God is calling you right now. In the midst of your struggles. In the middle of your fears. It is whispering to your heart, "My child, I'm with you." Breathing. Let His presence fill you. Breathe out. Release every burden, every anxiety. Right now, surrender everything to Him. Your pain, your confusion, your doubts. He sees your silent tears. He knows the battles you fight alone. And He says, "I'm your refuge." Let these words sink deep into your soul. Let them break every chain of fear and despair. Because the enemy wants you to believe you're alone. That no one cares. That your prayers don't matter. But today, God is breaking those lies. He is speaking truth over you. You are loved. You are chosen. You are not forgotten. Every moment of your life matters to Him. And He is working behind the scenes. Even when you don't see it. Even when you don't feel it. His hand is guiding you. His love is covering you. His power is making a way for you. So don't give up. Don't stop trusting. Because your breakthrough is closer than you think. Meditation. Close your eyes. Imagine standing in the presence of God. His glory shining around you. His voice speaking directly to your heart. Saying, "I will never leave you. I will never forsake you." Let these words become your truth. Hold on to them with all your strength. And when doubt tries to creep in, when fear knocks on your door, declare this: "God is for me. Who can be against me?" Challenge. Take 15 minutes today to sit in silence before God. Let Him fill your spirit. Let Him renew your strength. And if this message has touched your heart, type "I trust you, Lord" in the comments. Share this with someone who needs encouragement. Because someone out there is waiting for this message. God is moving. God is working. And your miracle is on the way. Stay faithful. Stay expectant. And watch what God will do. God bless you.